Hello, this is Judy. Welcome to my video. Please subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell for future videos that I will be putting up. Today I am using a video that unfortunately I had zoomed in way too much, but I didn't want to toss it because it still has some pretty good content. I'm using the Winter Penguins from Close to My Heart to create some embellishments for scrapbook pages or cards or what have you. And I'm using my Misti stamping tool. It is the very big one for scrapbooking, and I love it because I can do a lot of images all at once. And here I'm using all of my images here with the intense black ink. And I threw in some sound effects and some titles just to make this a fun video because it was pretty messed up. So I wanted to make it fun and experiment with this iMovie stuff with my new microphone and give everybody a good laugh. But the Misti is so wonderful because you can just restamp whatever over and over until you get a good image. And this is our new die cutting machine that Close to My Heart came out with, and it's got those really cool suction feet to put on it. And when you open the little you open it up, I don't know what they're called, wings, and you secure them in it. It adheres to the surface that you have it on, and it is really intense. As you can see, it picked up that glass mat, and that glass mat is heavy. So here I'm showing you the side. It has adjustable knobs for die cutting, thin cuts, and your embossing folders, and then it also has that knob there that you can adjust tighter or looser depending on how thick your materials are. So it's really nice, and I've tried a lot of die cutting machines, and yes, this is my favorite. And I'm not just saying that, it really is a nice machine. And here I cut these in half, and first I cut them out singly, one sheet at a time, all 6 of them at a time. But I soon found out I could do 2 sheets at a time because they're all lined up perfectly from the Misti. I could do 2 at a time easily because I made a lot of them. Unfortunately, I didn't know my phone died while I was doing the embellishing, so I don't have any of that on camera. But if you stick to the end, you will see all of them as finished embellishments, and I'll be using them for customers and my VIP girls, and I sent a lot out for a swap. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope you got a good laugh out of this messed up video. That I had a lot of fun making these. I just went to town one day and made all these. It was a lot of fun. I go off on tangents like that, but I have a lot of them, so it was a good thing. Take care.